Hello everyone. Today is a special day. This is the future of my commuting. I'm very excited to unbox these Rollerblade Maxxum Edge 125 3-wheel drive skates to you all. I haven't even seen them yet. I'm very excited. I just got home from work. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Inline Warehouse. Overnight shipping. I ordered these yesterday morning and they're here today. Free overnight shipping. Thanks a bunch. I'll leave a link down to Inline Warehouse down below just in case anybody who does watch this video rollerblades and wants to check them out. So let's get into the box, shall we? Now, recently I had rollerblade lightnings that were 30 years old. Instead of running and cycling to work, I wanted something low impact like cycling, but I wanted to switch it up. So I pulled my rollerblade lightnings out of the closet and I rode to work. It's about a 17-mile commute. The first day the left cuff snapped, and the second day the right cuff snapped in 2 places. I knew I wanted to get new rollerblades, and so I started researching the different types and styles. I knew that a basic skate wasn't gonna cut it. Being the elite athlete that I am, I knew I wanted something that was built for performance, speed, and long distance. So I did some research. Initially, I wanted to get the Rollerblade Endurace 125s. These are a speed skate made for marathons. Long distance and speed is the main component of those skates. But my main thing with the new rollerblades is I was going to be commuting daily, and the Endurace 125s look great, and I'm sure they're super fast. But if I needed to jump stuff last minute, I wanted something a little more urban, durable, but that I could still get speed out of. So the next best thing, the Maxxum Edge 125 3-wheel drive. Let's check them out. Oh boy, these things are humongous. Cool thing, they give you some extra laces, green laces to match the liner, which we'll check out. A technical manual along with a couple of Allen wrenches, one being for the frame and one being for the wheels. Wow. These look pretty big. So my lightnings were a size 45, 11 and a half. My feet are size 12, but with the rollerblade, for some reason, 11 fit me really well and they weren't tight on my feet. These skates specifically, they say that they run about a half size small because of the premium liner. It's got moisture wicking material. It's very padded, meant for the cross training that you would want to do. So I'm hoping, I measured out for a size 12, so I just got a 12. Instead of going up a half a size what they said I should have, I just got a 12 instead of 11 and a half. So I hope they fit. If not, they have a 365-day return guarantee. These are insane. These look a lot like a ski, which these skates actually are the top contender for the skate to ski program. So when skiers are off in the off season, they use these skates to train, which is a really cool thing. We got the 125mm hydrogen wheels. These are the #1 urethane wheels on the market right now, made by Rollerblade. These are also on the Endurace 125 skates that I wanted to get, along with the twin cam ABAC 9 bearings that come in there. A nice, solid, smooth spin. Along with the aluminum frame that goes on the speed skate, but they combined it with a urban technical boot. So the urban mold boot along with speed and stability. It's really nice. We also got 2 buckles. We got a 180-degree buckle here, and we got a 45-degree buckle to hold your heel down when you're skating so you have a nice tight fit. And it also has nice ankle support for when you're bending down and striding. In the back, they got a V-cut cuff, so it helps out with your feet and your ankle when you're skating. It's got decent ventilation, not as good as the Endurace. This is gonna have more protection. This also, right here, we have a shock absorber. So there's a red, under the boot, there's a red shock absorber. It's a heel pad, so if you take any jumps, it also helps with the impact of your feet. These are insane. So these skates here are great for cross training in the off season. It really helps build strong ankles and knees, rollerblading in general, and these skates have great support with those factors. Yeah, I haven't really ridden them, so I don't know how good they are, but I think I should definitely get out there. I should try these bad boys on, and I should go take them for a spin. These are pretty rad. I'm super stoked to get on these things. Oh yeah, also, Just in case you don't know how to rollerblade for beginners, I wouldn't say this is a beginner type skate, but just in case you buy them, even if you want a brake to be safe, they throw in a rear brake that literally just goes on to the back right here. Super easy, super simple. They even give you a bolt, and the bolt just goes right in here. You just switch it out, and you got a back brake. And then I also got the Rollerblade Pro Tool, so I can take that on the go just in case I have any bolts that need to be tightened on my long rides, because I will be taking these on some long rides. I plan to do 20, 30, 40 mile rollerblade days where I just go out and kind of explore, maybe take photos, take some video, and just skate and have fun, because it's all about having fun for me, and I think these skates are really going to do the job. These are epic. I'll post a link down below. You guys can go on Rollerblade's website and check these skates out. They have a really cool night shift video where some of the pros for Rollerblade went out and did a night shift, and they rode like in Barcelona from 12 a.m. high visibility at night, super smooth, lots of fun. Let's get out there.